Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by verifying your phone model and Android 12 build so you download the correct package. This avoids bricks. Once done, backup apps, photos, and account data. Use Google Backup or a local PC image so you can restore settings. Next, free at least 5 GB and plug into power if under 50% battery. Make sure Wi-Fi is stable. Now open Settings and go to System Update to fetch the upgrade. Proceed when the update appears. You should download the update only over Wi-Fi to prevent interruptions and unexpected charges. Pause any large downloads. If you sideload, verify the package checksum and use ADB sideload commands. This ensures integrity. Once the package is ready, tap Install. Your device will reboot into recovery. Make sure not to interrupt power or the cable. The installer may take 10 to 20 minutes depending on device speed. After installation, the system optimizes apps. You finish by completing the guided setup and signing into your accounts, then verify that apps and permissions are correct. Update apps in Play Store. If performance lags, clear app caches and restart. In case of a boot loop or install failure, boot into recovery mode. First clear the cache partition, and if that fails, restore your backup or perform a factory reset as last resort. If you sideloaded, reflash the correct factory image from a PC to recover the device.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.